Hello and welcome to another video for mindful eating. Today I'll be showing you a very quick anti-inflammatory snack, which is avocado hummus. Here we have, as you can see, just around in the back there, some chickpeas. You've got some all-purpose seasoning, an avocado, and a lemon. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to make this very quick recipe in just under 10 minutes. So stay tuned for that. Welcome back. So I'm just going to show you in a few seconds, once I've blitzed this down, the avocado hummus. And here I've got some of the aquafaba liquid from the chickpeas. I've got some pieces of avocado. I've got some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm going to add a clove of garlic to this as well, and a bit of oil. And then we're going to blitz all of this down, and then we're going to see the finished product afterwards. So this is the avocado hummus. Now it's not green, but you can see the avocado in there because I've blitzed it in and it's in there. And I've got all the ingredients in there, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to serve it. I'll just show you from this length as well, and I'll show you how I'm going to serve it. And this is an anti-inflammatory snack that you can have, say with bread or biscuits, that you can have in the daytime throughout the day. I'll show you in a few minutes how I'm going to serve it. So this is it. This is the avocado hummus. As you can see, I added a bit of olive oil in there, and then for the snack I've decided to serve it with a bit of onion, some crackers, and garnish it with a bit of cracked black pepper and cracked salt. And obviously anti-inflammatory foods help with swelling and stuff like that, and they're actually very good for you. So just wanted to show you this very quickly. I hope this quick video will get somebody to try snacks today that are not too high in fat, not too complicated to make, and this took under at least 10 to 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video today. Thank you for watching.